The first quarter of 2023 has ended and we are about to live through one of the most turbulent earnings season.
Seriously?
That's right, your favorite companies are about to release their reports on their recent financial performance, like expenses, earnings, and overall profit. Want to know how it can affect the market? Keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to NAGA channel and our Best of NAGA series, where we provide commentary on the current market situation, news and events, but also share with you updates from our platform. Today, I want to talk about the earnings season, as it is a very exciting time for the investor. And this one will be an interesting one. But why are earning reports so important for investors? It's because the information contained in an earning report may be a factor in deciding whether to sell some shares or buy more. So let's talk about the upcoming earnings reports of banks. Many of the banks that saw a rapid sell-off in March due to the banking crisis we've witnessed recently. If these reports are anything less than satisfying, it could make investors jittery and shake up the banking sector of the S&P 500. Just so you know, the S&P 500 index features 500 leading US publicly traded companies, with a primary emphasis on market capitalization. Because of its depth and diversity, the S&P 500 is widely considered one of the best indicators of large US stocks and even the entire equities market. Watch our NAGA Academy series to learn more. Back to the banks. The important earning reports one could focus on are JP Morgan, April 14th, Bank of America, April 18th. Let me give you an example of how to read the reports based on the Bank of America. Analysts predict that it could report 83 cents EPS, earnings per share, and $25.37 billion revenue, compared to the quarter 4 2022 report of 85 cents EPS and $24.53 billion revenue. Or JP Morgan, generally positive outlook, but we will know only when the actual numbers come out, as those types of predictions could be very wrong, as we've seen happen in the past. As an investor, you can take action prior to the report based on the estimations, or after, when the actual numbers are out. It is solely up to you and your strategy. But you can see now how this report can help you make that decision. But banks aren't the only sector that took a hit in the past 3 months. Before I tell you more about it though, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like and comment on this video, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss our awesome content. So, another group to watch, big tech companies. In the midst of layoffs and high borrowing costs constantly under the microscope of the mainstream media, here is a list of companies to pay close attention to in the upcoming weeks. Netflix April 18th, Microsoft April 25th, Alphabet April 25th, Meta April 26th, Apple April 27th, Amazon April 27th. Lucky for you, you can check out news and charts of those companies on NAGA, where each asset has its own feed. Let me show you. So if you go on a tab Trade, where we have all the markets available on NAGA, let's find Amazon. Here we go. Now you can see the chart of Amazon, and if you click on feed, you will see all the latest posts of our users about this asset. So you can be sure that you will not miss a beat. And last but definitely not least, the following megacap companies like Tesla and Coca-Cola will also release their reports. Both companies have quite positive forecasts. However, I must stress it again, the actual results could be a big surprise. Don't forget about Goldman Sachs, American Express, ExxonMobil, and more. It really depends which industry you are interested in as an investor. And now let's hear from our community. I asked our NAGA users a question: which of the company's earnings reports are you most excited for, and why? Here is what they said. Simul Balas says Apple. Mick Wilson says Amazon, because firstly, Amazon is one of the largest companies in the world with a market capitalization of over 1 trillion. As such, its earnings report can have significant impact on the broader market. Interesting. Secondly, Amazon has been in the news a lot recently, particularly with regards to its plans to expand into new markets such as healthcare and logistics. As such, I'll be looking for any updates on these initiatives in the company's earnings report. Finally, Amazon is known for being a particularly innovative and forward-thinking company, and I'm always interested in hearing about its plans for the future. Mini Lavi says some of the companies that I'm particularly interested in include tech giants such as Apple, Amazon, and Google, as well as major banks such as JP Morgan Chase and Goldman Sachs. Arthur Hardy says looking for KPIs of companies. Another Apple fan from Yuli Sanel, and Matt Getan says definitely Goldman Sachs. Remember, whatever we talk about here is not a financial advice. You should always do your own research and invest time in trading education before investing. That's all for today. See you next time.